Does Hiroshi behave like a civilized person on stream?
Alright, let me pause this
Because mine, well, doesn't.
Yeah, I gotta head to work, yeah. Unfortunately, I have to be an adult. Alright, see ya, Julio. Bye. Chad, that was a good one, honestly. Andy's World would be epic. Hey, you're in my game. Yeah, I joined you. Oh my gosh, why am I burping so much? Oh! You guys like them? Oh, I'm sorry, chat. I didn't mean to do that.
Mousy J just resubscribed for 12 months. 1 year with a new account, Zeoxin. Wow.
Sorry. Ow, stop! Oh my god, oh my god. Guys, stop. Stop! 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 Guys! Wow. I hope you enjoy your stay. Oh my god. 2 burps? Holy. All right, chat. Zeal will get faster. Dude, I will. The more I do it, the better I'll get, okay? One day y'all will be sad because I will be better at math. All right, chat. I think it's about that time. Excuse me. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm a VTuber though, guys. I'm a VTuber. I'm, you know. Yo, what's up, Muzza? Oh, excuse me. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. I need a burp. You know what I mean? Probably better at TFT than me in the current mental capacity moment. Hi, Raven. Quit away. Oh my god, wait. Chat, exclamation point burp. Oh my god, wait. I think I just hit 100 burps. Oh my god. Exclamation point burp. All right. It's okay. Oh my god, fuck. Why did I burp? Right when I got a... Hi, Fira. Hi.
Nice.
Pokemon Raiders. Yo, what's up? My name's Zeo or Zeoxin. Hi. Fuck, I almost said my name's Zeo or Zeoxin again. No, I'm just kidding. I'm fucking with you. I don't care. It's fine. The crash out will happen if we don't hit it. We're good, though. We're going positive, chat. You guys like that one? I'm kidding. I'm sorry. No, don't spray me. Don't spray me. I'm kidding. I'm joking. I'll never burp again in my life. No, I'm kidding. Hi guys, good morning. Harder chat. I'm not gonna be a pawn to the fucking corporate greed, all right? One day I'm gonna be a full-time VTuber. I'm gonna say, fuck that job, all right? Oh my god, whoa. Sorry, chat. That was a very, like a rawr of a burp. That'd be probably kind of epic. Oh my gosh, Nini, did you see? Did you see, Nini? Peak? I'm not doing peak. I have like less than an hour. Sorry, chat. I didn't mean to do that in your ear. My bad. This and it'd be like, I really need a burp whenever I do this. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah.
The heck?
You know, I get tiger a lot. A lot of people think I'm a tiger.
Give me dog vibes.
Timer 6 hours and 24 minutes. One of the words? Yeah, okay, buddy. Oh, my brain. It ain't even that bad, bro.
And I wanna say thank you to all the peeps in the community who type !burp in chat every time Zeo burps. It really helped me in making this completion. See ya! Bye!
Meow 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 meow. Ah!